Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today, I want to share with you some of my favorite beauty secrets. A lot of my friends have been commenting about how good my skin is right now and some little changes that I have made, and they have made a great impact. So small changes but great impact. And so there are some beauty finds that I would like to share with you, some skincare regimen, and also some of the products that I have started using. That's what I'm sharing in this episode. I love supporting local. I love supporting friends, especially startups. So because I used to be there, I still have a startup right now, and so I am really a fan of collaboration and helping other women, diba? Hashtag women supporting women. And so I'm sharing my finds with you. So sometimes I get eyelash extensions. I love getting mine from either Mod Studio or Ayumi eyelashes. So yan, yung mga gusto ko. If I want eyelashes that I don't have to remove and put back on, and I'm traveling, for example, then papakabit ko na yan. But if it's something na like for special occasions lang, or maybe I'm going out, or recording a YouTube episode, or recording content, it's shooting content, etc., then I love using magnetic eyelashes because they are reusable for an extra 5 to 15 minutes depending on how used you are in applying them. Then ang laki ng impact. So right now I'm wearing Luxx Lashes, and they just recently sent me a new package. I haven't unboxed it yet actually. Ayan, hindi ko pa siya na-unbox. I-live unboxing na natin. Unbox na natin siya. Ayan yung packaging niya. It's very cute. It's pink. I love it. I'm going to post the Buddha links in the description box. So use those because these ones I really use. As in, I swear by it. I have also gifted my friends with their own Luxx Lashes kasi I really believe in these. So, ang dami kong messages na pumapasok. Ganun talaga ang Pinay Girl Boss. So there, it's very well protected. As you can see, it's packed really nicely. There are a lot of honeycomb wrappers. And it comes in a nice, this is the eco-friendly packaging that they have. There's also one, I have some that are in a magnetic box that's more sturdy. I think you should have at least one of those. But for traveling, it's good to use those. But this is more eco-friendly. This is also mas mura. It's cheaper than the other set. So this one, oh, I love it. Bago ba to, guys? Now it comes with, the package comes with affirmation cards. I love affirmation cards. If you're familiar with my Instagram, I do post a lot of this, and also on Pinay Girl Boss. So this says, I breathe in love and flow with life. I choose to change my challenges to opportunities. I love it. Thank you for the affirmation cards. So right now, I'm already wearing Luxx Lashes. But let's open their new one. This is a new release. Super bago pa lang. Okay, so how does this work? You have the upper lashes. That's what you see here. And then, these two are what you put under. So what happens, so it's magnetic, right? So what happens is, when you're going to put, wait, let me show you. You're going to put this here. Ay, dumikit nga kasi may magnet nga. So you're going to put this on top of your real lashes. And then, the other ones, the small ones, you're going to put under. So, it's like trapping your real lashes using the two magnetic lashes. Yan, ganun lang siya. Very simple. But, my tip is, if it's going to be your first time using, and super close-up ko, if it's going to be your first time using, don't attempt to put it on right when you're going out the door and you're already running late, because you're going to be stressed. And if it's your first time, then there's a little bit of a learning curve. When you're sanay na, when you're used to it, then it's going to be much faster. So I think when it was my first time, it took me 15 minutes. I didn't really time myself, but I think it took me 15 minutes the first time that I was putting this on. Okay, so tip that I follow is I curl my lashes and put on mascara, because then it's easier for the magnetic lashes to cling on to your real lashes. Ayan. Kasi naka-shape na siya, ganyan. So, I'm gonna try this on and show you next time what the new set looks like. I'm going to put the description of this model in the description box kasi I don't remember the name. There are different designs that you can choose from. Good morning. Get ready with me. Outside the house today. I am going to an event with my friend PGB Bestie, Carmel, and we're going to attend a jewelry brand collection launch. I'm using my phone camera as mirror. Yeah, so get ready with me. And also, our friends who are modeling the collection, my also PGB Bestie and my Fit Moms Project PH co-founder, Marie-Field Faith, also my team leader in the Oil Natural Project. So, it's the same circle, you know. And Doc Chris MD, she's also there. She's also from my team. Who else? Shinky is there as a model. I wish I'm going as a model also. But I'm going as an influencer and as a Pinay Girl Boss. So I'm gonna show you the collection. So what I used is Glossier. Can you see that? That's Vlogger Yarn. And this one recommended by Carmel. Para fresh style. I'm not very good at makeup, but we're learning. So I put my mascara on. Oh my gosh, you're gonna see how I put this. So I'm gonna use this one. Thank you, Luxx Lash, for sending this to me. This is Paige. So as you can see, ayan siya. Super sulit if you take the time to put it on. So I'm gonna try to put it in front of you guys. Pero actually, since malabo yung eyes ko, I usually put this near the camera. So this one I can't really see. Ang hirap. Ayan. One eye has, the other one doesn't. Ayan, this one has. Diba? Ang lakas maka-glow up. For me, sulit siya. Sulit the extra 5 to 10 minutes that we take to put it on. Okay, I put this already. This is Page, and as you can see, it is quite secure. Yeah, this is reusable magnetic lashes. So I love that because it is eco-friendly. So I use the Seedlings lotion. That's actually a baby lotion, but I like it because it's not super thick. I'm going to a jewelry event, so I am not sure if I should wear jewelry. So, kaya natin. I love this. This is not pink diamond. Mahal, sobra ang pink diamond. So, I am actually wearing pink sapphire. But it's big. It's 2 carats, I think. And then, this is from a tita friend who sells jewelry. She doesn't have an online shop. But I like it because it has 4 different precious stones. So, may amethyst dyan, citrine. I don't know the others. And then, watch. This is my very first Rolex. I paid for it with my last paycheck from my 9 to 5. So this has sentimental value. This is a Lady Date Trust, size 26. So lately, ang uso is bigger watches, but I like it because this one I can wear for dressy days. Also because I got this pre-loved. Parang hindi siya as delicate. And then tennis bracelet from our PGB bestie Ria of Joyeria. So this one naman, this tennis bracelet I got when I hit diamond rank. So I got syempre diamonds, diba? Because I hit diamond rank in Young Living. So, lahat yan may story, lahat. So, I love the way that I got this camisa. This is the pink or the rosas camisa from Vanya, Studio Vanya Romov. So, I've been wanting to get this camisa for a while now. And it's nice because all 3 of us at Pinay Girl Boss, we all have the camisa. And Max and Fo have the one in ecru, the ivory one, and it's very hard to get a camisa because there's a long wait list. So on the day, Max's last day here in Manila, I called the Podium branch. Hello, Julius. Thanks for taking care of us. And he said na merong rosas in my size at the Podium branch. So sabi ko, if it's kasha, if it fits me well, can I take it home already or do I have to go through the waitlist? Walang waitlist for this particular piece. So I think it was really meant for me. And then I just unboxed my latest toy. Toy ba? From Fendi. Work hard, hustle hard, shop hard, right? So this is the Fendi First bag and grabe, ilang trips abroad ko yung yung tinitingnan ko na to. Tapos, ang dami ko na pinanood na unboxing. And finally, I got it. And I think this is very, very me. It's not pink, it's white. So, aside from pink, I love white. So, ayan. I think the size is just perfect. This is the small one. Or they call the medium one. But siya yung pinakamaliit. Aside from the one that is just like a little keychain. So this one is the smallest. And I got it in lambskin. And it comes with shoulder straps na leather also. But I'm not gonna use it as a shoulder bag. This is the leather strap. So same color. And the way that you put it is actually very ingenious kasi there is a hidden clasp. So dalawa yan. And then you just bring it back. Yan. So hidden siya when you're using it as a clutch. So I love that kasi I think it's cute. Pink and pink. Magkaka super pink tayo today. Right? This is from one of our favorite jewelry designers, Joyce Makitalo. So this one is from the I think the Japanese collection. So it's very nice. It has the evil eye. So protection yan from negativity. And this is rose quartz for love. So that's the look. See ya. Right. So the next thing that I will share with you is my skincare regimen, and you know, I'm sharing this because it's very important for us to have toxin-free skincare regimen. Why? Because ang sabi nila, for women, there are maybe 100 bad chemicals that we are introducing to ourselves every day, even before we go out the door. So I hope you enjoyed this episode and subscribe to this channel and like the video. And I want to hear you guys in the comments. Do you have any questions or maybe your own personal finds and skincare regimen that you may want to share with others? Let's make this a very supportive and informational channel and community. I would love to hear from you guys. So see you in the comments.